Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. Sharpen your stock market skills by competing in the largest trading tournament in town. Regarding to the Facebook post just now that I mentioned, it's actually featured in our TED Optimus Facebook page. As you can see, if you head up to our Facebook, you'll see that it's featured at our Facebook page. And then for the rules for this most liked Facebook post campaign, you can if you look at the campaign's term and condition, first of all, you need to like and follow TED Optimus Facebook page. Secondly, you need to like and share this Facebook post out, okay, this post, the post being featured. Third, for the top 2 sharers who get the highest number of likes for this Facebook post, you get 6,000 ringgit cash and also 600 ringgit cash and also 300 ringgit cash each. And then the cutoff time for this campaign is 5th of May 2023, Friday 5 p.m. So this Facebook Most Liked campaign, you organize it every season, and the cutoff time for this campaign will be the last day of each season.